Welcome to The Divine Chef. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based, delicious, and fun food that you and your family can enjoy. So today I'm excited because we get to make some mac and cheese today. And I'm really excited because I miss having cheese. You know, cheese and my gut, they don't agree with each other. And if you have the same issue with cheese and digestion and all that stuff, then this is the recipe for you. Plus it tastes just like regular macaroni and cheese, and it's creamy and it's rich. And okay, let's just go ahead and start making the recipe, all right? Let's get on it now. All right, so what's important is to take your cashews and soak them for 4 hours or overnight. I like overnight is best because your cashews won't be so grindy and you'll have a creamier sauce. So cut up your vegetables into medium-sized pieces, not too small. Let them boil until fork tender. Put them in a pot, and I use 1 cup of diced potatoes, a 1/4 cup of diced carrots, and a 1/2 cup of onions. All right, so let's make our cheese sauce. So get your blender out, and what we're gonna add to the blender is a 1/2 cup of those soaked cashews. Be sure to discard the water. Let that blend up really, really well. We wanna chop it up really fine so that your sauce, like I said before, can be nice and creamy. To that blender, we're going to add your potatoes, your carrots, and your onions to the blender. And try not to add too much of the water because you want to be able to control the thickness or the thinness of your cheese sauce. But make sure you do save some of that liquid to the side so that you can add that if your cheese sauce is too thick. Add your nutritional yeast, a 1/4 cup of that. Add a 1/4 cup of your favorite plant-based milk. I like almond milk. Add your lemon juice. The lemon juice is gonna give you that tangy flavor that you find in the cheese sauce. Add some garlic powder, some onion powder, and add some salt and pepper to taste, and also add your turmeric. The turmeric is gonna give it a little bit of color, and turmeric's good for you anyway. Get that blended up really smooth and creamy, and then add it to a pot. And when you add it to the pot, let it cook up for about 1 minute, and then add your Gouda cheese and your vegan cheddar cheese. Stir that up until it gets nice and blended, and allow that cheese to melt in your sauce. Okay, so with your pasta, get your water boiled ahead of time, and then add your pasta at this point and get it cooked till al dente. I like to use elbow pasta, but you can use any small pasta that you like. Just put your favorite pasta in there and be sure to cook it till al dente. If it's too thick, add a little bit of that reserved vegetable water, or even you can add the pasta water as well. Probably about a tablespoon or so at a time because you don't want it to get too liquidy. It's time to taste test. I've been waiting. I didn't want to go sampling. I wanted to do it in front of you. So let's see. All right, so in the video, I put smoked Gouda in there and some cheddar. I just didn't show it. I just showed the white Gouda going in. So I just want you to know, use smoked Gouda, and I like to use Follow Your Heart Gouda cheese, and even their cheddar cheese is really good. That's a really good brand, okay? But any brand will do it. It just gives you that more sharp taste, okay? So let's give it a try. Whew. Look at that. Look how silky that is. Oh my gosh. It's just like real mac and cheese. Okay, you can go now. It's so good. It's so creamy. It tastes like, well, regular mac and cheese, except for a little twist to it. It's really good, guys. You gotta try this one. And this is simple and easy, and the kids can help you make it as well. On the stovetop, mac and cheese is perfect way to get this cooked up real fast. I do like baked macaroni and cheese, and I might do another video with a different style of mac and cheese with that. But right now, this is on point, all right? So I'm gonna enjoy this, and if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, guys. And if you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. I wanna know what you think and what variation you use to make it, okay? All right, so I'll see you next time on our next video. My name is Rosemary, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.